Google Flow tutorial, best AI free video generator for AI filmmaking. Hey guys, this is Shayan and welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to decode Google Flow for you. Now, Google Flow allows you to create seamless videos from prompts or from frames. The best part, you can even use it for filmmaking with a little hack. So I'm going to show you all in this tutorial. If that sounds interesting to you, then please stick on with me till the end of it. Without further ado, let's jump over to my laptop and let's start. So in here, as you can see, this is what Google Flow dashboard actually looks like. So you need to come here and click on create with flow. And in here, you have the video option and the image option, and you have all the aspect ratios, as you can see. You can also create the number of variations from here, and you can select the engines. Now for image, it's Nano Banana Pro or Nano Banana, and it comes for absolutely free within Flow. And for video, again, you have two options. One is ingredient and the other is frames. As you can see, with frames, you get a fast frame and the last frame option as well. Now you can create portrait or landscape videos, and you have the option of choosing the number of variation. For videos, there are three video engines: VO 3.1 fast, quality, and the other one is light. Now the light version costs you only 10 credits per generation, the fast costs you 20 credits per generation, and the quality costs you 100 credits per generation, right? So that's the difference. Now that being said, let's enter a prompt over here, like an Indian man walking in a mountain valley. Background, we can see snow peak mountains, sunlight reflection. The man is dressed in white suit, blue shirt, red tie, and red spectacles, just for an example. Now once we have given all the prompt, we just need to come over to this video over here and click on that, and that will give us these options, right? So for this, it will be video and it will be frames, and then I can choose the aspect ratio and the number of variation. I'm choosing only one so that less credits are required. So let's hit on enter, and as you can see, it has been generated. So let's see how it looks like. So this is awesome, right? Exactly what I told. Sunshine is there, the snow peak mountains are there. Excellent. So now we'll show you how to create videos from elements. So for this, we will choose ingredients, and in here I'm going to click on this plus, and I'm going to upload, right, the ingredients. So let's upload an image. So in here, as you can see, I have uploaded one of the images of one of the portion of my house, and as you can see, I'm telling it to create a 360 tour of my home, right? So let's go ahead and see how it fares. And there you go. It looks amazing. Right now, you can download this as 720p or 1080p, whatever you wish to. And it is amazing stuff, right? As you can see over here. So that's quite cool. Now, that was it for the video generation part. Now it's time for the image generation. So for image generation, you can use Google Flow as well. You just need to come over here and convert this into image. Click on image. Choose the aspect ratio, whatever you wish to, right? And then in here again, the number of variation, then the engine, there is Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana 2 as well. So you can go ahead and select any of these. Nano Banana is absolutely free with Flow. As you can see, it will use 0 credits. So let's go ahead and actually ask for a prompt. Like I'm going over to ChatGPT and I'm asking ChatGPT to give me a prompt of a tour, right? Office tour, and I want to generate a couple of frame, a fast frame and the last frame. So as you can see, ChatGPT has given me two frames, starting frame image prompt and the ending frame image prompt. So first I'm going to actually develop the starting image and then the ending image, and then I'm going to actually make a video out of it. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's copy this prompt and let's go over to Google Flow, and in here, let's paste the prompt and let's hit on enter. And as you can see, it's being generated. So let's wait. And there you go, boom, it has been generated, right? So that's the first frame that has been generated. So now let's go ahead and actually go ahead with the last frame. So let me download this in 1K, or maybe I can upscale it to 2K as well. That's up to me. And then let's go ahead and create the ending frame image. Similarly, let's quickly copy this, go over to Google Flow, and then paste it over here, and then let's hit on enter. And as you can see, the final image has been created as well. So let's again download this, and now we are going to use this first frame and the last frame to create a video using frames, right? So let's go ahead and select videos, and in here choose frames, and once done, we can select again the aspect ratio, whatever we wish to. I'm selecting horizontal one just for an example, and again the engine that you wish to. Now I'm selecting the light one because this is going to be an office tour, or I can select a fast one as well, right? So let's go for the start frame, and in here let us upload this one, right? This was the starting frame image, and on the end I will upload this one. Okay, done. So now I'm going to write the prompt, create an office tour for NK Academy Digital Solutions, right? And then I have also added what we offer and all, so that it gives a better thing. Now I've hit enter, and there you go. You can see the services right on the background, and you can see this. It's awesome, right? People are working, and lastly we are getting success. So as you can see, generating videos and images are very easy with Google Flow. But herein I am going to give you a hack with which you can actually create cinematic videos or consistent character videos with Google Flow. So for that, all that we need to do is come over to new project, and in here we need to give a prompt. So here is the prompt that I've given. A young Indian couple walking on a mountain valley while it's raining heavily. Rain sounds with cloudburst, lightning effect, romantic background music. The man says, "Do you remember when we came here first?" The woman says, "Yes, I do. It was 7 years ago." Now remember one thing, I have specified a lot of things over here, right? I've specified the environment, I've specified the background, I've specified the background music. I have also given a voice over in here as well. So there are a lot of things that Google Flow can do. Just to remember you, this is the way you should give prompts if you want this kind of things, right? So now we are going to select videos, and I'm going to keep it frame, and I'm going to have one version of it, and let's go ahead and do this. And in here, as you can see, it has created the video. So let's play this.
Do you remember when we came here first?
Yes, I do. It was 7 years ago.
Do you remember when we
So
came here
it is quite amazing,
Yes, I
right?
do.
You
It
you
was
can see
7
over
years
here.
ago.
It's perfect. The lip sync,
remember when we came
the
here first?
dialogues that I had written, the background, the sound effect, as you can see, it's really awesome. Now, say I want an extension of this shot. That means I want another scene, right? So it's very important that I have the same kind of background, the same kind of weather, and the same consistent characters, right? So what you can do is that for a continuation of the scene, you can actually take a screenshot of this last frame, right? You can take a screenshot over here. But one thing over here is that in the very last frame, the face is not clearly visible. So I want the consistent character. So what I'll do is that I'll take this frame where the faces are almost visible, like this part, so that I get the consistent characters, right? So I'll take a screenshot of this part over here, and we'll save this. Now I've taken the screenshot and saved it, right? I'm going to show you one another way, but the easier way over here is that you can specify what happens next. Like say I'm going to say they are going to now run a little, right? So I'm going to type in over here, like keeping the character consistency, the woman starts running and the man starts running behind her. Rain sounds, cloud burst, lightning effect, romantic background music. The woman says, "Catch me if you can," and the man says, "I'll definitely catch you in a minute," right? So let's go ahead and do this. So let's play this.
Do you remember when we came here first?
Yes, I do. It was 7 years ago.
And look at this.
Catch me if you can.
I will definitely catch you in a minute. Do you remember when we...
So look at that, right? So in this way, you can go ahead and keep adding more scenes and make it a AI movie. You can see the characters were consistent. You can extend it as well. You can just click on extend, and you can just have a prompt over here and click on extend, and boom, it will keep extending. As you can see, it has combined it into one clip, right, of 14 seconds. Instead of couple of clips, it has already made it one clip. So you don't need to actually go ahead and add them. So if you want more clips, you can go ahead and definitely do that. So that's the easiest way of filmmaking. But in case if you want, say, video of somewhere else, right, and you have not made it via VO, but you want to extend it, what then? So just imagine that I had this first part of the video from somewhere else. Now I want to extend it, right? So what we can do is that, by the way, you can download this individual clips from here as well. That's totally doable. Now we are going to go back to VO. And in here, I'm going to choose a start frame. And on the start frame, I'm going to actually upload the image that you remember that we had just taken a screenshot of, right? So let's give it over here. And as you can see, the frame is coming up. And in here, I'm going to use the same prompt that we use for the extension, right? The same prompt. And then on the videos, I'm going to select the same things as it was. So let's go ahead and do this. So let the image be uploaded. And the image has been uploaded. So let's go ahead and do this. And look at this. It has been generated. So let's go ahead and play this.
Catch me if you can.
I will definitely catch you in a minute.
So you can see over here, the characters
I
are
will definitely
consistent
catch you in a
and
minute.
it is quite good as well, right? But the exact scene transitions happen even better when you do extension. But this actually extends the scene from the last frame. So ideally, you should capture the last frame screenshot and give it over here. Once you do that, it will be a continuation kind of thing. Since we hadn't got the face clear in the last frame, so we took it from the middle. So, but anyways, the prompt adherence is perfect, and as you can see, the results are more than accurate. So you can use this for AI filmmaking, you can use this for AI ad making, you can use this for AI product review kind of thing as well. Like if you have a product image, you can upload that and you can make it talk, walk, whatever you want to do, like a cup of tea, maybe a green tea you can promote, or whatever is there, you can go ahead and promote this with this thing. So I really hope that you have found this very useful. If you have, help me with like, let me know in the comment section if you want to learn any more features of Google Flow or any other AI tools, and I'll try to cover it up in my next video. With that being said, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope that you guys have enjoyed it. If you have, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because in this very channel you get this kind of videos that can help you to grow online. So that's it for today's video. We'll meet again pretty soon somewhere over the internet. Until then, please take care of yourself and your families, and don't forget to keep growing online. Signing off is Shayan. Take care. Bye bye.